In this video, I'm going to teach you a very quick tutorial on how to enable or disable the search box here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So let's start on the disabling of the search bar box. So we can do so here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Here at the settings, please proceed directly to the left side of that where you can see a list of the option. Find for personalization. Click on that one. And here in the personalization settings, you need to scroll down and find for taskbar. Click on it. And from that, you would be able to see searched under taskbar items. So aligning to it, you can see this kind of the option. Click on this down arrow key and proceed with hide. In that way, when you close this window, you would be able to disable the search box here in your Windows 11. On the contrary, if you would like to enable that, just navigate the same step, and that is here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. By the way, you can also use your keyboard, press Windows key and I key together. In that way, you'll be able to bring up the settings window. Now from here, please choose for the personalization again to bring up the personalization settings. And here in this section, please scroll down, find for taskbar, click on it. And in this similar option, find for searched, click on this down arrow key and proceed to search box, close the window. And there you have that. You have just successfully enabled the search box here in your Windows 11. Okay. So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.